We are back in Berkeley, one of Denver's most sought-after neighborhoods. And before I showcase the amazing listing that we have coming up, I want to remind you just a couple of great things and what makes Berkeley so awesome. Number one, it's one of Denver's most walkable neighborhoods. Tennyson Street is the anchor, and it's a big reason why buyers prioritize this neighborhood, with a deep bench of coffee, restaurants, breweries, and boutiques, plus local seasonal events, all within walking distance. The local businesses and walkability are a huge part of this area's identity. Number two, the vibe mixes charm with modern living. You get the character of a classic Denver neighborhood, plus newer builds and updated homes that fit what today's buyers want. It's a rare mix of established streets, old growth trees, and move-in ready options. Number three, you get access to great parks and open space like this one. This is Rocky Mountain Lake Park. Berkeley is lined by major green spaces and neighborhood parks. And number four, it works for a lot of different buyers. You'll see young families, first-time buyers, and empty nesters here for the same reasons: walkability, community feel, and a location that holds its value. Now, the house itself, which we'll show you here in a moment, is in one of the quietest parts of the neighborhood, north of 46th, also known as Tudor Row for all the tutors that line the streets, in between Lowell and Tennyson Street. So the only traffic you're experiencing outside your front door is going to be neighborhood traffic. Let's go take a look. Welcome home to one of the most sought after pockets of Denver's Berkeley neighborhood. Welcome to 3801 West Alice Place. Sitting on an oversized corner lot, this home gives you something rare. Side entry into the garage, no alley required, plus a large private backyard, perfect for entertaining or letting the dogs run. This home was built in 1947, but the top was popped in 2015. Now, right upon entering, you've got this expansive open space and this huge open area here. Now, as you'll notice, you have hardwood floors, ultra high ceilings over the living room, and an industrial tone throughout the home, as you can see from these steel beams and butcher block steps. This kitchen is a real showstopper. You've got soft close cabinets, an oversized quartz countertop island with seating, and for those of you who like to cook, you've got a Bertazzoni range and oven and a double wide Electrolux industrial fridge and freezer. On the main level, you have one bedroom, most likely to be used as an office, and a full bath. Directly off the dining area, you've got this huge deck installed in 2024. This is a $35,000 Trex decking, built to last. As you come around the corner here, you've got the detached 2-car garage with plenty of grass area for your doggos and kids. And then there's the primary suite, impressively large with a private balcony to enjoy your morning coffee. The ensuite bathroom features dual vanities, a large shower, a freestanding soaking tub, and a walk-in closet with room to spare. Additionally, upstairs you'll find 2 guest bedrooms, each with its own full ensuite bathroom, laundry on the same level for convenience, and a large lofted living area. So if you've been waiting for your opportunity to own 3,500 square feet in Berkeley, this could be your opportunity. If you want more information about this epic home, I'm Jason Soroy with Forum at Compass Denver. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Take care.